You got it, Moraya? Yeah? There's Carmel, your sister. Your other brother, Shala. This is HODAIYAH at HODAIYAH'S Hacienda. We're just hanging out, having some fun here with the kittens. And they love stretching their claws out. Yes, I love you too. You're a good boy. Bueno, gatito. Bueno. Good boy. And there's Carmel up there. And you hear the rescue birds behind us. Yes, you're a good girl. Yeah, good girl. All right, well, you all have an excellent day and something good come your way. It's tranquila. We're all hoping and praying that it warms up, and it has been, and everything thaws out for us. And we always check on things because the birds will alert us if there's a predator or coyote or that. But they also do that too when they're laying an egg. So by the goodness of Almighty God, we have been getting about 6 to 7 eggs a day. And that's increased even though our water has froze up on us. When I say froze up, I had it on a drip system, but the horses came in the middle of the night and had frozen, and then they were rubbing on it and snapped it in half and broke it. So we're gonna wait till spring and then we'll get this fixed. I'm just making this video so you know what's going on here, and that way when we do get this fixed, I can have a celebration video with all y'all. So you have a blessed day and something good come your way, and don't worry